Hi, good morning. This is your chef Prakash. Hope you are doing good. And today we are going to discuss about how to maintain our kidney healthy. So, what are the ingredients which helps to keep our kidney healthy? Let me explain that very clearly. The first one is ginger. Ginger, it helps to prevent from the heart disease, and it's very helps to digest your foods. Once your food is digest well, you don't get any problem in our body, and it is good for your kidney also. And second one is the coriander leaves. Take a 100 or 200 gram coriander leaves, wash it well, and chop and boil in good water, and filter and drink weekly 3 days. That is also a good remedy to keep our kidney well. And third one is the grapes. Have the grapes. The grapes have vitamin C, and it's help to prevent from the kidney stone. You don't get a urine infectionary like that. So taking of grapes also is very good for to maintain our kidney. And fourth one is the cabbage. Cabbage have the beta chemical, and it have a vitamin K, vitamin B, vitamin B6, and it's have the folic acid and also the fiber. This is one of the great thing which God gives to us. Those who are avoiding the cabbage, this is the message for you all. Don't skip the cabbage from your menu. At least weekly twice, if you take the cabbage, it's clear your bad cholesterol also from your body, and it's keep your healthy kidney. Okay, so please don't skip cabbage. Try to take cabbage weekly twice. Have a good day. Thank you.